welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe.
فعلا يلا open it. Let's unbox.
This is our unboxing video. We haven't posted in months, so I hope you like it.
In years. Yeah, since 24. You just ate. How has your age not changed, and how didn't you look different?
Wait.
You're literally 8.
Like, this is my first. This is this package. Look.
Yay.
Pause to read it.
Now we're opening it up.
Yeah, we're opening it up.
Yay. Now, that's the calendar.
This is the calendar.
Yeah, it's magnetic. Okay.
Oh.
And if Fun City is watching, we have to say thank you for all these amazing toys that you've sent us.
Yeah. Is this magnetic or what?
Yeah. She
Yes,
is.
it's magnetic.
Remove it. Yep.
Yeah.
So here is how I feel, and here is seasons, and here's dates.
This one's like,
weather,
I just killed
months.
somebody. And
these
then
are all the things that are here.
this one's like, bruh.
This one.
Yeah, this one says, this one calls out bruh.
See, the word is cotton.
This is the day we're in right now. It's May.
Yay.
This is the month.
Oh, this is a month.
Yeah, it's a month.
Stop falling, May.
Yeah,
May
stop
you
falling.
not fall.
Wendy.
This is how me and my sister feel. When we're happy.
Wendy.
This is my sister.
Today was windy.
This is my. This is
Only a little bit.
This is me. And this is my sister.
This is the weather.
Yeah, that's the weather.
Summer is the weather.
No, it's season. Season
Why do
is
you keep
weather.
falling,
Is
May?
different than weather.
Then what's the weather?
The weather is sunny.
It's
Why
sunny.
is May so, like falling?
Eh,
May's falling.
because it's in the wrong section.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Hmm.
Can you please get rid of that?
What is the day
Can
today?
you please make it
Where is Friday?
Friday is
Friday.
here. And today was Friday. Today's
Yeah.
Friday.
Put it in the
day's
day.
about to
Put
end.
it in the days.
Number one.
Okay.
Number one.
But come close so everybody can see you.
Yeah,
Why is May always falling?
I don't know. And I'm
Date.
still picking out the things.
And this is my sister, and this is me when we get to do fun stuff with you guys.
Come here. Come here.
What is it?
Put the months here. And the day in the front.
And the days. And these are the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Where is May?
It's
It's
here.
here today.
Yeah.
The months. And how I feel. Happy, and
To see you.
happy,
Lovely.
lovely, happy,
Sad.
sad,
Unamused.
serious.
Unamused.
No, it's serious.
Unamused.
Fine, it's all. It's both. And sad. But I don't feel that.
This one's crying.
Which one did you choose for today?
I chose
Nine.
this because we're happy to see you all, and because we didn't post in a long time, and I miss you all. I missed making videos.
Yes.
It was so fun,
Yeah.
Okay.
It was. It
And
actually
these
was.
are the days.
We would unbox so many fun toys and play with them right in front of you guys.
Yes. These are the days.
To make us enjoy it and to make you guys enjoy it.
These are the dates. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
6,
6 is like here.
60.
7, 8, 9,
10, 10,
Where? There's no 10.
10,
There's
11,
no 10.
11. Keep
There's
that
no
on.
10.
Today,
The date is 16.
yay.
That's why there's no 6. And the seasons. What?
Tomorrow
weather.
is going
The
to
weather.
be 17.
The weather.
The weather.
Stormy, windy,
The
tornado-y, and
Dusty.
It's
This
dusty.
one is dusty. This one is
Dusty.
cloudy. Snow.
snowy
Rainy.
and rainy.
Bye, guys. I hope you have a great day for the rest of the day.
And we hope you enjoyed because we haven't posted in months. And make sure to like and subscribe. But you don't have to if you don't want to. It's fine.
It's fine.
All I want for you to have is to have a great day, have fun, and be happy. Okay?
Yes. And if you don't know where we got this from Fun City.
So go get it now.
If you want to.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.